how to get Decal ID in Roblox. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy the image ID or Decal ID on Roblox. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to copy a Decal ID in Roblox, the first thing we need to do is simply open up a browser and navigate to roblox.com. Once you get logged in, go up into the top menu and select Create. And once you get to the Creator Hub, select Store in the top menu. Now that we're in the Roblox store, in this new menu that appears, select Decals. And then all we need to do is find and select the decal that we want to copy the ID for. Keep in mind, you can search for decals using keywords, or you can also filter them. So now just select the decal you want the ID for. And then once we're on the decal page, up in the URL, select and copy the numbers after asset. So not the forward slashes, but just the numbers. Copy that, and then you'll have the decal ID and you can paste it wherever you need it, such as Roblox Studio or something like that. If this video helped you, consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching.